Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today, let us continue with lesson number 8, Mapping Your Way. Today, we are going to learn finding distances on the map and on the ground using the given scale and finding the position of different things in the classroom. The sea. This is Bala and this is the sea. Bala is standing on the sea coast, Darya Kinaro, and looking at the vast sea. The sea looks endless. Children, have you seen the sea? Yes, I have seen the sea. In this picture, where is the sea? This is the sea. The sea is in front of Bala. Now look for the sea in the map of India. What color is used to show the sea on map? Answer is blue color is used to show the sea on the map. Now children, name those states which have sea on one side. Answer is the states having sea on one side are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, West Bengal and Orissa. Now children, name any one state which does not have the sea on any side. Answer is the state which does not have sea on any side is Haryana. Lines between the states. Children, see, this is the map of India. These all are states of India like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, MP, Rajasthan and so on. Children, can you see there are lines shown between two states in this map? See, this one, and like this every state's border is shown with lines. Children, when you are traveling from one state to another, can you see such lines on the ground? No, not at all. There are no such lines painted on the ground, isn't it? Then don't you think that how do we see such lines on the map? The answer is the lines on the map shows us where one state ends and the next state begins. Distance between towns. See here in map 6. 5 towns are shown. Idlipur, Barfinagar, Cholaghat, Doklabad and Belpur. Scale written on this map is 1 centimeter on this page equals to 10 kilometers on ground. Now answer the following questions. First, how much centimeter away is Idlipur from Barfinagar on the map? Answer, when we measure the distance with scale or ruler, we get Idlipur is about 5 centimeters away from Barfinagar on the map. Second question. How many kilometers will you have to travel if you go from Idlipur to Barfinagar? Answer is, with reference to answer first, we got distance between Idlipur to Barfinagar on the map as 5 centimeters. But the scale given is 1 centimeter is 10 kilometers. So 5 centimeter will be 5 tens are is 50 kilometers. Thus, the distance between Idlipur to Barfinagar on ground is 50 kilometers. Thus, we have to travel 50 kilometers if we go from Idlipur to Barfinagar. Third question. There is a place called Khamanpur midway between Idlipur and Barfinagar. Mark it with a K. Answer. This is Khamanpur. I mark it with K on the map. K for Khamanpur. It is midway between Idlipur and Barfinagar. Fourth question. A town called Jalebipur is 35 kilometers away from both Cholaghat and Doklabad. Where do you think it can be? Mark J for it. Answer is, since Jalebipur is at the same distance, that is 35 kilometers from Cholaghat and Doklabad, it is in the middle of both the places. Jalebipur is marked with J on the map. Fifth question. Measure the length of the route between Bhelpur and Cholaghat. Answer. Since the route between Bhelpur and Cholaghat is zigzag and not straight, we cannot use ruler or scale to measure the distance between them. But of course, using the thread Doro, we can measure the distance between them and then place this thread on centimeter scale. So, we get the distance between Bhelpur and Cholaghat on the map as 6 centimeters. Here, as per the scale, 1 centimeter is 10 kilometers. So 6 centimeters will be 6 tens are is 60 kilometers. So the distance between Bhelpur and Cholaghat on ground is 60 kilometers. Ashi's school. Ashi's school looks like this from the top. This is garden of Ashi's school. This is office. This is assembly ground. These are classes. This is playground. This is main gate of Ashi's school. This is a big hall in Ashi's school. The scale given in this map is 2 centimeters is 5 meters. Now answer the following questions. First one. How many times bigger is the area of the assembly ground than that of the office? Answer. From this map, we can see that the assembly ground covers 15 complete squares and the office covers only 3 complete squares. So, the area of the assembly ground is 5 times bigger than the area of the office. Second one, How much is the length and width of each classroom? Four options are given. Answer: if we measure length and width of each classroom with ruler or scale, we get length of the classroom on map as 2 centimeters and width of the classroom on map as 1.6 centimeters. Here the scale is given 2 centimeters is 5 meters. So length of the classroom on ground will be 5 meters since it is 2 centimeters on the map, and width of the classroom on ground will be. Now as we know, the scale is 2 centimeter is 5 meters, but the width of classroom on map is 1.6 centimeters. Means how many meters? Cross multiply 1.6 and 5 and then divide it by 2. So 1.6 5s are is 8.0 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 we get as 4 meters. So answer is option A. Length is 5 meters and width is 4 meters. Question 3. All the classrooms in Ashish school looks like this. Now look carefully and answer the following question. A. Which of this is exactly opposite to the blackboard? Options are almirah, windows, notice board, display board. Right answer is display board is exactly opposite to the blackboard. Question. All the classrooms in Ashish school looks like this. Near the door there is a blackboard. Opposite to blackboard is the display board. On the windows side there is a almirah. Opposite to almirah there is a notice board. And in between benches are there. Now look at the school map again. Guess and mark. Where would all these things be? This is a blackboard in 3rd A and 7th standard. This is almirah in 4th and 10th standard. This is notice board in 5th and 6th B class. This is the last seat of middle row in class 2nd. And finally, this is the position of the display board in class 1st. So today we completed lesson number 8, Mapping Your Way. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.